Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, on this one, I'm going to teach you how to allow people to share your post or story on Instagram. So, the first thing I always want to do is, of course, go on the App Store, just making sure we have the latest version available for the application we're going to talk about today. So, I'm going to go for Instagram right there, and as you can see, I have an update pending. So, I'm just going to remain as it is because I have the latest version before this one, so it works on my end already for the process. If you see this one and you don't have the latest version, which is 381.00, I suggest you update this one. So moving forward, I'm going to open my application. So Instagram right there. Let me just go back on the screen. Alright, so you're seeing this one. So I want you to go to your profile in the lower section right there. Now once you're here, the hamburger icon, the three lines, please click on it and look for the one that says privacy. Go to account privacy and make sure this is toggled off. Switch to public for that one and make sure that is done. Now going back here, just scroll down a little bit and look for the one that says sharing and reuse. Once you're in here, there's going to be a lot of options. So for example, allow people to create and reuse your content, posts or reels, make sure these are selected. And as you can see, most of them are selected. As easy as that, people can now share my post and story on Instagram. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.